Hello guys, good afternoon. I take a video this
Before
afternoon
I begin my plastering,
and just charge my
I get
cell
the
phone. It's
pointed
battery empty,
metal
and here I'm now
having
doing my
string
plastering. This is my
Find the
assignment today.
proper thickness. Plastering the body.
Yesterday,
I'm installing the
afternoon of Friday, I plastered this. I didn't finish it.
of the string.
So this I'm gonna
Concrete cement
finish today.
faster.
I wish I can finish it.